In this video, we'll learn how to merge multiple overlapping polylines together to form one polyline. We can do this based on their union or their intersection. First, we'll form a union from 3 individual polylines by clicking and dragging a marquee to select them all. Then I'll use the Polyline Union tool in the Edit toolbar at the bottom of my screen. When I click on this tool, I have the option to delete the original or retain it. I'll delete it. Now you can see that we have one polyline based on the union of all the polylines that we started with. Now I'll merge polylines according to their intersection. The intersection of all 3 of these polylines is the small square where the 3 polylines overlap. Again, I'll select all 3 of them and then click on the Polyline Intersection tool. Again, delete the original, and we end up with the resulted single polyline. You can also merge polyline solids, even if they are different types. For instance, I'll create 2 polyline solid-based objects. Here under the Cabinet's Parent tool, I'll use the Custom Countertop and place a countertop. Then I'll go to my Slab tools and place a slab, making sure that they overlap in plan view. If we double-click on the slab, we see that the thickness is 4 inches and the elevation to the top is 4 inches. I'll change the thickness here to 24 inches. A countertop by default is 1.5 inches thick and the top of it is at 36 inches. Then I'll take a camera view. Here you can see my slab and my countertop. I'll go back to the floor plan view and select both of these polyline-based objects and use the Polyline Union tool again. Delete the original, and now you can see that I have one object. Notice when I go back to the camera view that the slab took on the attributes of the countertop when it merged, because the countertop was the first object that I drew. If we start again with a polyline solid object like a custom countertop, and then draw a simple 2D CAD polyline overlapping it, then select both of them and click the Polyline Union tool and delete the original, it will merge the 2D and the 3D objects together into a 3D object. Back in the camera view, you can see that the 2D polyline took on the 3D attributes of the countertop. So you can merge overlapping 2D polylines or 3D polyline objects, or a combination of both to form one object, either out of the union of the objects selected or out of the intersection of the objects selected.